Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says a 7-digit number is formed by using the digits this. So, we have 3, 3, then we have 4, 4, and 4, then we have 5 and 5. Okay, and we have to make 7-digit number, so all number will be used. The probability that the numbers so formed is divisible by 2. So suppose that I am talking about number of elements in sample space. Okay, so look at this, it is 7 digits, so it can be permuted in 7 factorial ways without any condition, out of which 3 is being repeated twice, so for that 2 factorial, out of which 4 is being repeated thrice, so because of that we will be using 3 factorial, out of which 5 is being used twice, so for that we will be using 2 factorial. Now you know that we have to talk to, like we have to find out the probability of those event in which we can create an even number. So at unit place I will fix 4 because I have no other choice, so I have to fix 4 at units place. Now we have 6 empty space with 6 digits, so total probability means the number of ways will be 6 factorial, means I have already used 4, so now we are left with 6 digits, 6 factorial, and then 2 factorial, 2 factorial, and 2 factorial. Now can I say that the required probability would be like 6 factorial by 2 factorial. You know it is in fraction, so I'll be using this 6 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial divided by total number of outcome 7 factorial by 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial. Now you can do reciprocal, 6 factorial, 2, 2, 2 multiply 2, 3, 2, and then we have 7 factorial. Now you can play fruit ninja, 2 factorial, 2 factorial gone, 2 factorial, 2 factorial gone, this thing gone, we are left with 3, then 6 factorial, this thing gone, we are left with 3 by 7. Therefore the required probability is 3 by 7. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.